Meet Olivia. She works 24/7, doesn't ghost leads, and never asks for a raise. She's your new SDR, powered entirely by AI. Today, we're reviewing Salesforge.ai, an outbound sales platform that's quietly replacing entire sales workflows with AI workers like Olivia and Joe. Yeah, it's wild. So what is Salesforge? It's an AI platform built to automate your entire outbound process, from defining your ICP to creating account lists to writing personalized cold emails, all the way through to handling replies. But what really sets this tool apart is the concept of AI workers. These aren't just automations, they're role-specific bots. Olivia handles your outbound SDR tasks, and Joe, he's your enterprise account researcher. It's like you hire two new reps minus the onboarding and payroll. Let's break it down what it actually does well. First, targeting. You can define your ICP by persona, account size, tech stack, industry, you name it. The setup flow is super intuitive. You can go by persona, account-based sales, signals, or even website visitors. This makes it insanely easy to start outbound without spending hours building spreadsheets or cleaning up data. Next is personalization, and this is where Salesforge gets clever. It tracks real-time signals, like if someone visits your pricing page or downloads a white paper, and it uses those signals to generate personalized outreach, so your emails don't just feel relevant, they actually are. It's like having a rep watch your prospects all day and fire off messages when the timing is right. And then there's reply automation. This part blew my mind. Salesforce classifies replies by intent and automatically responds based on the lead's tone and interest level. So if someone replies with "send me more info," it's already handled. No more playing inbox ping pong. Now, who is this tool for? If you're a solo founder doing your own cold email at night, this will save your life. If you're an AE tired of manual prospecting, this gives you time back to actually sell. And if you're VP of sales trying to scale without burning out your team, this might be the shortcut you've been looking for. But it's not perfect. Some of the AI-generated personalization still benefits from light editing, and if you don't set up your ICP filters properly, you'll get junk leads. But once it's dialed in, it's scary efficient. So let's talk about pricing. Salesforce starts at $750 per month. That might sound steep at first, but think about what you're replacing: manual research, list building, outreach, follow-ups, and even replies. That's easily the workload of one or two SDRs. So if you're running lean, it's actually pretty cost effective. So should you replace your whole sales team with Olivia? Maybe not yet. But if you want to scale your outreach without scaling your payroll, Salesforce is a seriously strong option. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. Otherwise, subscribe if you found this video valuable. Have a good one and peace.